Woody, looky there. Woodstock came up on my shoulder and decided he wanted to say hi. Didn't you? Didn't you? Hey? Who's that behind you? Is that your other half? Yep. There's Phoenix. Come on, guys. Phoenix had to get in there, grab the attention. Come on, guys. See, once they start, they all want to get in on the action. That's Pickle. And then here, if you go up my arm, there's Bluesy on my arm, see? There we go. Yep. Bluesy, Pickle, Phoenix. Oh, Phoenix, you're going to go under the towel, are you? Okay. There's Bluesy. Bluesy likes to sit on my finger. Don't you, Blue? Yeah. Oh, they're gone.